Sammy's been a dirty girl and he needs to get washed.
Been a dirty girl. Been a dirty girl.
I just farted. Filming Sammy now. Alright, man, lay down. Goggles. He's got the goggles on. Look at that. Look at the view. Oh, no way. Oh. Oh, man.
Here we go. I feel like I'm going on a roller coaster. Yeah, all this in here.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what to say, dude.
Oh, damn, that fucking smells.
It does it. Stay down, Sammy. Look at that. Oh my god, Zach, that was terrible.
Here we go.
Oh no.
That fucking smells so bad. That's horrible.
I can't hold it, dude.
Oh shit. Why am I going in here?
Oh, yeah. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
There we go.
Stay down. The soap's coming. No. Sammy. Yeah. But if anything happens, no. Oh man! Oh no! Yeah! Yeah! Keep going. Get down. You're gonna get the.
Here it comes.
The eye of the storm. Oh no.
What if this goes down in the bag?
Oh
What if this actually goes
down?
down?
No. I'm worried, dude. Look at him, dude. Oh shit. That just sounds like it hurts, dude. Oh no. Stay strong, Sammy. Look how wet he is, dude.
Watch it. What if this goes down?
Yes, back.
Are you sure?
Sammy, flip over. Oh, thank God, dude. I was so fucking.
I think if you have the option for no bug deflectors.
Sammy, hit it. Stay strong. Dude, this water's gonna be this air's gonna be so hot right here. Yeah, dude. I like it though. I was gonna get a light mist thing. That sucks. It sucks so much. It does suck. Oh, Sammy! Oh! He's gonna be so cold right now.
What is he doing?
He's coughing. He's gonna die, dude.
Alright, let's get out of here. Don't let him warm up.
No, let him warm up. He's gotta warm up, dude. He's gotta get. No, this water's gonna. This air's gonna be so hot. Is that hot, Sammy? Go! Stay down, Sammy.
Get up, Sammy, get up. Get up, Sammy.
How was it? How was it? Alright, just get home real fast.
I go home.
How'd it feel?
You look cleaner, Sammy. You look cleaner.
No, when we get home, make him say I was a dirty girl.
Did you eat it?